Hey there! In this video, I'm going to explain what WooCommerce and WordPress are. Let's start with WordPress. WordPress is a popular content management system that powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. It's an open source platform that allows users to create and manage their websites with ease. WordPress has a large community of developers who have created thousands of themes and plugins to enhance the platform's functionality. Now let's talk about WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress that turns your website into an online store. It's a free, open-source platform that allows you to sell products and services online. With WooCommerce, you can create a beautiful online store, manage orders, track inventory, and accept payments. The WooCommerce dashboard is easy to use and provides you with all the tools you need to manage your online store. You can add products, set up shipping options, configure payment gateways, and manage your store's performance. WooCommerce is also great for customers. It provides a seamless shopping experience that's easy to navigate and use. Customers can browse products, add items to their cart, and check out securely. So there you have it. WordPress is a powerful content management system, and WooCommerce is a plugin that turns your WordPress website into an online store. Together, they provide a seamless and easy-to-use platform for creating and managing an online store. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Make sure you check TrueStoryForYou.com, where I am teaching how to grow your online sales or how to build an online business from scratch step by step. I will show you how I did it and how you can do it too. Join TrueStoryForYou.com today.